Care and maintenance for the Model 45 and the Model 45R Racheting Nailer. Powernailers are high-quality tools designed for installing a professional quality floor. With just a little attention to the maintenance of your tool, your Powernailer will operate trouble-free and keep you running with a minimum of downtime. Unload the nails from the nail channel after every use. Check the plunger movement on manual or ratcheting versions that everything is functioning correctly. Replace the feeder channel and spring clip. Use compressed air to blow away excess dirt or dust off the nailer. Wipe off tool with a clean, dry rag.